fairly new drug approved by the FDA in 2010 is helping patients at Baptist Health overcome a progressive hand disease.
Until recently, the only treatment option was surgery. Tonight, the story of one Russellville man and his surgeon who decided to treat this disease in a new, less invasive way. Take a look.
Imagine not being able to straighten one of your fingers, not being able to type on a keyboard or grip a steering wheel. This is everyday life for patients with Dupuytren's contracture, patients like Wesley White.
Just lifting things, it would hurt.
Dupuytren's disease is an abnormal thickening of the tissue just beneath the skin. Excess collagen forms and creates knots in your hand and over time pulls the fingers up, not allowing you to extend your fingers out. In the past, the only option to treat it was surgery. Now there's a procedure that's much less invasive.
XIAFLEX is a drug that basically kind of eats away that collagen tissue. And so without us having to go through the surgical process of the incisions.
Orthopedic surgeon Dr. Rick Werges says White was a perfect candidate for XIAFLEX. The procedure involves injecting the drug into the hand, then manipulating the hand so the fingers are forced to extend. With no surgery and no scar tissue, White is now doing all the things he couldn't do before and says he's elated with the results.
I wished I could have done this 6 years ago. I mean, I've been putting up with that finger turned in for all of those years, and I just, now, my hands are just right, left, same.
And there is a little pain involved with this procedure, and you have to wear a brace for a little while, but White says it beats surgery any day.
Yeah, Shirley thinks, I think he thinks it's worth it.
Yes.
Sounds like it.